The wind ensemble is really kind of a modern medium. It's been around for about 120 years in its current format. In 2019, I was kind of just thinking about the types of things that we're playing and realizing that a lot of the music that we're playing is pretty loud and aggressive. I just started thinking of, let's have something that might be a little bit different. So I started exploring. My explorations brought me to Ingrid Stölzl, who is the composer of Musica Ignota.
He contacted me in 2019. He said, hey, I like your ensemble writing, your wind ensemble music. How would you feel about a consortium commission with Hildegard von Bingen as a topic?
The inspiration of the piece is an abbess and mystic by the name of Hildegard von Bingen, who lived in mid-1000 AD. Being a female back in monastic times like that was already unique that we even know her name. She composed music, and so I proposed that maybe we do something that was more reflective on her life and music.
Having new music by newer composers who have not historically had their voices heard challenges us as players and as listeners, and just as a community to grapple with historically marginalized people, but also celebrate the music that is now being shown and celebrated.
Women have always composed, it's just they didn't get the same opportunities. When you don't give the same opportunities, be it gender equality or other equalities, we don't have the same opportunities to grow. And I have to say the band world, the wind ensemble band world, has really stepped up in the last few years and commissioning more underrepresented composers.
Dr. Powell was saying the other day that this piece had not been heard by human ears until we read it for the first time. It's just a unique experience to get to put something together and set the standard for what the piece will become in the future as more and more people play it.
When you're in the rehearsal process, you're so wrapped up in doing the work and getting it done and really nailing your part so that you can come to rehearsal prepared. And so not until this moment did I think that, oh wow, we're going to be the reference recording for every other group who wants to perform this piece in the future. I feel very honored that we were given this opportunity. I'm so hopeful that we will make Ingrid proud. I mean, she was already so excited coming to today's rehearsal, and I just know it's going to be great at the concerts.
The wind ensemble is really full of a bunch of incredible human beings. Those human beings are so passionate about what they do that it really kind of inspires me. The training of professionals here at PLU, I believe, is completely special. People don't just come in, play, and leave. What they do is they are really part of a family that digs in and really learns together, learns how to work together as a team, and learns what the process is for creative art.